I found a yellow tag clearance sale at Lowe's. Let's go shopping. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Leave us some comments and please give us some likes. Thank you.
$26.98 yellow tag sale for the Craftsman 6-piece hex bit set. Okay, $54 yellow tag sale was $92.98. This is a torque switch. It's a 3/8 drive socket. Okay. Alright, I finally found these cabinet clamps. The 48-inch Jurgensen cabinet clamp. The new low price is down to $39.98. It was $49.98, so it's $10 off. It's the new price, not on sale. And the other clamps came down in price as well. The 24-inch cabinet clamp is $29.98 now. It was $44.98. All right, here's a good deal on this Metabo 10-inch miter saw. That's a really good miter saw. It's down to $349. Was $449. So that's a good yellow tag sale right there. Compound miter saw. Here's a good yellow tag sale at Lowe's. The DeWalt router table combo. $129 was $179. Pull this out, and it does come with the router. It's a really good combo. Comes with the miter gauge, 2 feather blocks, a fence for the router table, and it looks like it's going to have dust collection. So that's pretty good. So if you're interested in a router table and just happen to be looking for a nice router, you might get the whole combo set for the same price. Can't tell you how big the table is because they covered up the table dimensions with this tag. Price was $15.98. This is for the medium, and for the large, they're even cheaper. The large gloves are $6.37. They were $15.98. Oh, here we go. Miles Craft, the hinge mate. So if you do hinges, I used to do these a lot. Don't do them anymore. Door hinges and strikes. You could make use of this router hinge template, and it is on sale, yellow tag sale, for $38.98. It was $41.98. Miles Craft again. The circle cutting guide, $44.98. It was $49.98. And there's that. It comes with the extension bar and the router plate. All right. Here's a DeWalt yellow tag sale at Lowe's. $99 was $119. This is for the DeWalt pipe cutter attachment. It goes on the drill. If you need that for pipe cutting, it's on sale, $20 off. All right, here you go. Miles Craft again. The drill guide block. Drill guide. It was $8.98. It's now $7.98. So that's $1 off. Oh, look right here. Almost missed one. This is a screw thread repair tool. I've never owned one of these. Never even thought about this. Didn't know it existed. But it's a good sale. That Lowe's yellow tag sale was $19.98. It's now $7.98. Okay, we got the extended nut driver set on sale. It is $29.98. It was $39.98. But you gotta look up high. It's way up there. All right, we're in the skill area. We got to sell $99.98 for the reciprocating saw, 20 volt. This was $149. And also Flex tools, Flex drill tips kit, 29 piece. It was $19.98. It's now $13.97. And the Flex 12-inch drill extension was $13.48. It's now $5.37 at Lowe. Okay, we got Bosch vacuum for $129. It was $179. This is on a yellow tag sale for the 18 volt cordless Bosch vacuum. All right, this is very noteworthy. We have a Bosch. Looks like a rotary hammer. Right? Look at this sale. This is a clearance item. It was $519. It's now $129.75. Get to your Lowe's and see if they have one of these. Okay, this Bosch rotary hammer, 18 volt cordless. It's on sale for $399. It was $519. This is a great sale. If you need one of these, get to Lowe's and pick one of these up. Here's another one. This one's $181.64. It was $519. Have a DeWalt 20 volt cordless grinder. Watch this great deal. $82.75. It was $329. Go get one of these. We have a DeWalt Sawzall reciprocating saw, $199 on yellow tag. A clearance item was $329. Okay, we got the Dremel oscillating tool, $90.97. It was $139. That's a pretty good deal. Dremel's a little smaller. Okay, we got the Craftsman combo set. The 20 volt combo for $99. Yellow tag sale was $149. That's pretty good. Around Christmas, I think they were $149. All right, saw blades are on sale. DeWalt, if you need an 8 1/4 inch saw, some table saws are 8 1/4 now. There's 140 tooth, so it's not the finest cut, but look, yellow tag sale. It was $37.98. It's now $9.42. Another yellow tag item, $20.37, was $23.98, and that is for a tough built 9-inch magnetic level. All right, here's some clearance items we see. Look on the clearance wall at Lowe's. The oscillating saw blades, $22.37, was $27.98. All of those are on sale. Here's the 4-pack oscillating blade, $47.67. It was $49.98. I'd have to price that. Have a Bosch combination, 18 volt, 18 volt cordless drill set, impact drill and the drill, impact driver rather than the drill, $74.30, was $249. Have another clearance item here, a DeWalt 16-gallon, 6.5 horsepower shop vac or shop vac type. This one's stainless. Got the wheels and the handle and the hose. $169.17, was $199. That's a pretty decent deal.